Bonjour and welcome to French by Heart. C'est la seconde partie des Nombres Cardinaux. It is part 2 for the cardinal numbers. Today we are going to learn about how we are forming the numbers from 21 to 60. First, let's learn how we say 30, 40, 50, 60 and 100 in French. 30 is called trente, trente, trente. 40 is called quarante, quarante, quarante. 50 is called cinquante, cinquante, cinquante. 60 is called soixante, soixante, soixante. 100 is cent, cent, cent. Let's revise. 30 is trente, 40 quarante, 50 cinquante, 60 soixante, 100 cent. Let's see how we are forming 21 to 30. For forming 21 to 30, we need to keep in mind the number names from 1 to 9 and we are going to add those numbers with 20, that is 20. First is 21. For forming 21, we have 20 and 1. 20 et 1. The pronunciation is 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. For forming 22, now we have 20 and we are going to add 2 with it by putting an hyphen in between va and the. Va de, va de, va de. 22. 25 is made by adding 20 with 5. So it is 25, 25, 25. For forming 27, we are going to add 7 with 20, that is 27, 27, 27. For forming 29, we are going to add 9 with 20, it is 29, 29, 29. 30 is trente, trente. Now let's learn how we say 31 to 40 in French. For forming 31, we have 30 and 1. Trente et un, 31, 31, 31. 32 is 30 added to 2. So that is trente-deux, trente-deux, trente-deux. 35 is 5 added with 30. Trente-cinq, trente-cinq, trente-cinq. 37 is 7 added with 30, that is 37, 37, 37. 39, 9 added with 30, so it is 39, 39, 39. 40 is 40, 40, 40. Now let's see how will we form 41 to 50. Again we need to keep in mind 40 as well as the number names from 1 to 9. 41 is 40 et 1, 40 and 1. 41, 41, 41. 42 is 2 added with 40, that is 42, 42, 42. 45, 5 added with 40, 45, 45, 45. 47 is 7 added with 40, 47, 47, 47. 49 is 9 added with 40, so it is 49, 49, 49. 50 is 50, 50, 50. Now let's see how we are going to form the numbers from 51 to 60. 51 is 50 and 1. 50 et 1, 51, 51, 51, 51. 52, 2 added with 50, that is 52, 52, 52, 52. 55 is 5 added with 50, 55, 55, 55. 57 is 7 added with 50, 57, 57, 57. 59 is 9 added with 50, 59, 59, 59. And 60 is 60, 60, 60. So that's it for today. Like and share this video and subscribe to the channel French by Heart. Merci.